Hello guys, welcome back to a special video. What you're looking at is it's a hole that I created on the ceiling. The reason I cut off part of the sheetrock, it's because I had a leak and I didn't know where it was coming from, but it was the AC caused by condensation. And so now I have to seal it back up. So I will show you how I'm doing it. Well, what you're looking at, that's so far the all the materials I'm going to be using. I have flashlight, so for better lighting, and I have this piece of cardboard. I will be using it to measure the hole, and then here is the plywood, a piece of sheetrock. Sorry, I bought at Home Depot a small one because I don't need a very big one. So, and I need to cut a piece of it to seal the hole, and then that's a little bit of tool, and that's the piece of adhesive. Okay, and nail. See, that's a hammer. That's a box cutter. And then this is a lever, and most importantly I have this one here, a plaster. Okay, I'll be using that. So now let's get started. This is almost the same size of the hole, but smaller, almost the same size. And so I'm using this as a template. So now I'm using wood, because most likely the wood will stay. Alright guys, this is the finished product. Alright, all I have to do right now is wait for it to dry and then paint it. So you see, it's not as perfect as I would like it, or a person who's been doing this for 200 years would do it. The good news is I saved thousands of dollars. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and support this channel. Thank you.